AI-powered robotic arms are piecing together history, and that's just the start. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWalt. This is Saturday, November 29th, 2025. Twin robotic arms with AI vision sensors are reassembling Pompeii's shattered frescoes by detecting patterns invisible to humans. The EU-funded Automata project is restoring priceless art damaged by volcano eruption and war. Portuguese students built Trovador, a six-legged AI robot that plants trees on dangerous wildfire-affected terrain. It boasts an impressive 85 to 90% sapling survival rate, tackling Portugal's massive forest loss from decades of fires. Tesla faces a major lawsuit for allegedly infringing 5 robotics-related patents linked to its autopilot systems, threatening its leadership in autonomous driving and robotics innovation. Quantum Systems just hit a breathtaking €3 billion valuation after a €180 million funding round. The drone maker plans an IPO to scale its autonomous drones, marking it as one of Europe's top AI drone innovators. Flexion Robotics unveiled an AI-driven robotic brain that lets humanoid robots navigate rough terrain and pick up litter autonomously, powered by vision and language AI models. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWalt. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI innovation excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.